Hier, dan op de last forward station, manuscript stand from activating 100 table block, 821 altogether.
So, now we have 5 minutes to see what those talents have in them. En now here is Beekje, Frau Houtok, is written by Martin Fleur Jensen, Trot, and Modi, well, he starts 9.5 for Trot, and 9 Trot. After the landing from Asplaces. The winner of the talent show 2 years ago, Wilson, Karin, and Kansa Arnold. You got 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Modi, selvfølgelig har blandt andet 9,5 krav og igen 9%. Two minutes left, 2 minutes. And so take care for the hot coffee. Thank you.